Okie dokie. Today we're going over our brand Figma design board template. Now, I'm going to take a wild guess, and your Figma board looks nothing like this, whether it's for your clients, whether it's for your ecom brand. Probably looks nothing like this. There's probably crap going on everywhere. So, we've created this sort of template. It's going to make it so simple for creating your designs. Everything's going to be, it's going to have its own place. There's all different sections. So, it's really simple, really seamless, and it's made our designs 100 times faster. So first, let's go to our brand reference board. So really what this board is it's going to have all your color palettes, it's going to have all your different font styles, all your logos and icons. So this makes it so easy to actually pull your colors from into your email. So just say we want to go and change the welcome flow color. This email here, we want to change it to this kind of light grayish color. Just click and voila, look at that. Right in there already. That's awesome. If you want to change it again, you just press fill, you got your little color eyedropper here, change it to dark gray, voila, look at that. Bang, right in there. So that's awesome there. We always reference that. Next, you got your different font styles. So you got your different font style A and then font style B. And then you got your different thicknesses, you got different sizes, your different colors, all that good stuff. And again, that makes it so easy. You can just pull these right into your email. So literally just pull it in, and that way you don't have to worry about going into this section here and changing all the different sizes. It just, over time, if you're saving a couple seconds each time, that builds up to minutes, to hours, to days over the long period. So really helpful there. Next, we have brand logos. So this is where you store your logos, all your different logo types, your different colors, etc. Then you have brand icons. So if your brand has icons, really easy to pull right from that section into your emails. Okay, next we have brand images. So this is where you're going to store your product A images, product B, product C, product D, your collections, all product images, lifestyle images, miscellaneous images. So UGC content, all that sort of things. You can even include the links here to UGC videos. So you just click on a video and it goes straight to the UGC. It's really helpful. Design inspiration. So this one is really, really helpful for when you're stuck with design. You don't really know what to do. What I recommend is going to really good emails or going to mild.com and getting a bunch of design inspiration that you kind of want to design for your brand. So if you kind of want to have the same sort of look and aesthetic as some other brands, you pull all those emails and you get it done right away. You put all this inspiration here, and that way you're not having to search through later on every time you go to create an email to find some inspiration. So really helpful to have this here. Okay, let's take a look at email templates. So it's where you're going to store your email headers, your email footers, USP sections, brand reviews, coupons, transitions, buttons, etc. I'm starting to fill this up for client here, but this is what it looks like. Really handy for pulling all of this stuff into this place here, and this is your workstation. So this is where all the work's going to be done. You're not creating all the work in your welcome flows or in the campaign sections. You're creating it here. That way, all the mess is in one spot, and then you can save these sections for all the tidy stuff. So that's really, really helpful. So look, if you want to create an email, you're creating emails in here. You go to your buttons. You can literally just pull a button in. If we grab a button, that should be like that. Apologies, my Mac goes really slow when I put this video software on. Anyways, yeah, literally just pull a button in like that, and voila, it's right in there. And then you're creating all the mess in here. And once the mess is made and once you have completed it, all you need to do is drag your completed email into your flow. And like that, the email is right in there, and then you can go ahead and delete all this mess later. It doesn't matter because all your clients are reviewing is these sections here. They're not looking at all this crap over here, or if you're sharing it with your team, vice versa. Okay, let's walk through these sections here. So what we've done is we go here and we create a section, and then we've pulled out different sections for each flow. So and then we have all the frames of the emails in the flow. So this is really easy for client review, for sharing it with teams, having it all in spaced out like this. Really easy for mapping everything out. Lastly is the campaign section. So we like to space out our campaigns by month. So, you got January, February, March, April, May, June, July, whatever. And then, we fill it up with all the different campaigns for the month. And by doing this, it's really easy to look back on past campaigns, use campaigns as inspiration. It's all stored here. You know what campaigns were sent out which month, all of that. So that's really, really helpful for that. And yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. If you want the link to this, make sure you check out the link in the description on this video. But anyways, that's pretty much it. If you were wanting some more design videos, I'm bringing out a bunch in the next couple of days. So make sure you turn your notifications on. Make sure you actually subscribe to my channel as well, because I'm going to be releasing some awesome content in the next couple of days. So yeah, thanks for watching and catch you later.